Hey, Mr. Marshall. My business has been impacted by the pandemic and I've laid off some workers, but it seems like the law has changed about that. I need some clarity, please.
There's been a lot of confusion about layoffs, and I want to clear that up first before I fully answer your question. Most workers are actively working for you, or they quit or have been fired. So layoffs are right in the middle. It means you can go either way. Either you can call the worker back to active work, or you can fire them and give them a package. Now, before the pandemic, the law was this: you had to give a package after 13 weeks of layoff. But then now the law has changed during the pandemic. Now a layoff is considered to be an emergency leave of absence, which means that the 13-week rule has been set aside. Effectively, workers can now be laid off indefinitely, which gives you, the business owner, more flexibility.
So, does this change mean that I can just call my workers back anytime that I need them?
Yes, you can, at least until the government changes the law, but your workers may not be in agreement. They may have found another job or otherwise have concerns about returning to work. Your best bet is to be smart, especially with your best workers. Be clear, be empathetic, be transparent. Make sure that they have income during their period of layoff. You might direct them to government programs, for example, and be sure to consider them to be part of your team even when they're laid off. Keep in touch with them.
I also laid off some workers that I've been thinking of firing anyways. What should I do about them?
Well, ask yourself, is there any chance that you're going to be calling them back to work? If so, or if you're not sure, you can always keep them on emergency leave. But at some point, you're going to have, if you've not called them back to work, you'll need to let them go. Give them a package. In that case, let them know as soon as possible. Don't upset them more than is necessary. In my experience, I've had more employees come into my office more upset about how they were fired rather than actually about the actual firing itself. So give some thought to the termination, how you tell your worker, the wording of the termination letter, and the amount of the package. And throughout this whole process, be empathetic.
One of the workers I laid off said that I really fired him. I think he claimed that I constructively dismissed him. Is that true?
That's another great question. Uh, Tell you what, I'm going to answer that question in greater detail. Right now, I've got to get back to work, and I'm sure you do as well. Oh, you're still here. You must really like us. Well, we like you too. That's why if you have any specific legal questions about your business during the pandemic, or if you have any legal questions in general, then please send us an email, give us a call, and we'll be happy to answer your questions, give you clarity, and help you in any way we can.